Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best GRE prep material or preparation websites. So let's begin. First material is from ETS. It is a official prep material, and this is actually a book that is called Official GRE Verbal Reasoning Practice Questions, and the content is this. It gives an overview of the GRE verbal reasoning measure right here, and it contains some test content explanation, and it further explains about the particular question type right here. Question type number 1, reading comprehension. Question type number 2, text completion. Question type number 3, sentence equivalence, and it gives 3 practice sets of, uh, of the difficulty easy, medium to hard. And it contains answer keys and explanations. So you can actually um, do some kind of practice works for each question types right here. And after that, you can get 3 mixed practice sets. So you can actually practice full-length exams in a paper form. And then, if you finish that, then you can get an overview of the GRE analytical writing measure. And this does not contain any practice sets or something other than the overview, but it just actually explains how the GRE analytical writing section is composed and how you should actually prepare. It contains some model essays and criteria and something that might be helpful to your preparation. So that's all of this GRE verbal reasoning official prep material right here. And the next preparation material is Power Prep. This is an online preparation material, and you can get it from the ETS website. So let's see right here. In the ETS website test preparation page, you can see all of the products that you can use to prepare your GRE exam. First of all, there are Power Prep online practice tests. It is free, so it is definitely recommended to do this. And there are 2 of them. There are Practice Test 1 and Practice Test 2. And there are Practice Test 1 with unlimited time restriction. There are no time restriction with a full-length practice test. And then you can get 3 more practice tests that is called Power Prep Plus. So that is worth a $40 right here. And there are 3 of them. 3 of the Power Prep Plus online exams. And then this is the book that I showed you before, the verbal reasoning. And this is the book that contains both verbal and quantitative reasoning section. And this is only for the verbal, this is only for the quantitative reasoning. And you can buy the Super Power Pack containing all 3 of them. And you can buy an ebook, a value combo book, or verbal that only contains verbal and quantitative each. And this is a Score It Now service. So I'm going to explain this service on the later video. So that's actually all of the test preparation materials that is given by the official ETS website. So that's Power Prep material right here. And the third material I'm going to discuss is Magoosh. Let me see right here. Magoosh is not from the ETS official website, but it's actually another website that you can prepare the GRE exam. When you go into the Magoosh website, you can see this dashboard. You can quickly start practicing solving the problem by clicking one of these. These are actually not enabled because I finished my preparation about 1 month ago. But if you purchase this Magoosh service, then all of these buttons are enabled, and there are almost 500, over 500 questions that you can solve. So these are the preparation materials you can use, and when we click on these, you can actually really start practicing solving exams. For instance, you can click on these and submit your answer and see whether it is right or wrong. And you can get a video explanation right here and also a text explanation right here. So it is very useful to get used to the online platform that you're going to use when you're taking the real GRE exam. Also, you can practice writing, but this does not give you any scores, but you can just practice writing on a simple word processor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can also get a custom practice, and you can quickly consist and make your own practice test like this. Math section test, 20 questions, 35 minutes. You can click on these and just start the practice test right there. So that's Magoosh, and the price is right here. If you want it, there's 1 month premium, that is $149, and 6 month premium at $179. So it's actually the basic difference between these two are the length that you will get the service. So if you want the service, you should purchase either of them. And I think it's definitely worth it because it provides many materials and you can actually get accustomed to and used to this kind of GRE exams. But something you should know is that Magoosh produces their own problems and they don't get it from ETS official website. So you cannot see these exact same problems in your real exam. That is the real difference between the official prep material from the ETS website and this Magoosh website. On the ETS official prep material, problems on those materials, you can actually see those problems, exact same problems in real exams. However, in this Magoosh website, you cannot expect that happening. This is a Chinese website, and I don't speak any Chinese. I can't read any Chinese, but I really use this website a lot. I'm going to show you right now. This is the KMF website. This is written in English because I translated into English using the Google Translator right here. You can actually solve almost every GRE problems that exists in this world. So this is really fascinating. There are also materials that you can buy in this website, but almost all of them are free. I'm going to show you how to use this website. You can see this GRE. You can go to this website right here, and you can click on exercise right here. Then you can see each of these sections in verbal and writing and math. And these are filling the blanks and equivalent obviously means text completion and sentence equivalence. Reading and logical means reading comprehension and critical reasoning. Math means quantitative. Writing means analytical writing section. So you can almost prepare almost all of the sections in one web page right here. And you can access to 4 of the preparation materials. First one is official. This is from the ETS official preparation materials. I don't know if this is legal or not, but they actually have it on the website. And you can get it for free. So that's really cool. I did it right here, and you can click on these and start solving this problem. If you can't read the Chinese character, you can always Google Translate it to English, and you can just start this one right here, and you can just solve the problem. And if you want the result right away, you can check that box right there. And if you want the results after you solve all 10 questions, and you can do that too. I'm going to click and save right here. And after you solve the problem, then you can get these kind of results and correct answers and some kind of analysis that this website provides. Also, you can there are a lot of other preparation materials. The Princeton Review, Kaplan, Barron. So these are the three major preparation material books that you can access in offline bookstore. But you can have it right here in the website in a form of real GRE problem-solving online platform. And that's actually really nice. So you can get it for free. I don't know if it's legal or not, but they have it. And you can actually access to a really lot of problems right here. That's the same for reading and logical, which means reading comprehension and critical reasoning. And you can also get a writing section right here. It provides a simple word processor without any autocorrection. So you can actually practice yourself writing in limited time without any autocorrection feature. So that's really convenient. And we have this model test section right here. This is a model test. You can actually practice full-length, 30 minutes full-length test in this website. So you have verbal, quant, analytical writing section right here, and these are the official materials from the ETS. So you can practice with those, and there is a high percentage, and it is highly likely that you can see one of these problems in your actual test because it is from the ETS official website. And there are mock practice tests from Kaplan, and that's all. You can practice these model tests right here in the KMF website. So I really highly recommend for all of you to use this website. And it is free. You don't have to pay anything, even though you can pay for some other materials, but you actually don't have to. Almost all of the important informations are right open without any so I highly recommend this KMF website. So that's all. So 3 of the preparation materials, ETS, Magoosh, and KMF websites. And I highly recommend you to focus on the ETS official preparation materials first, and then move on to other materials to get used to the GRE problem-solving technique. And you can use either Magoosh or KMF to do that, and I highly recommend, because it is free, I highly recommend to use this KMF website. You don't have to be worried about Chinese. I don't know either. I don't know Chinese too, but I was able to use this website thanks to the Google Translator. So that's all for today. So I hope to see you next time. Thank you.